Enhance your outdoor spaces with energy-efficient lighting that adds both beauty and safety to your yard. The best solar landscape light options provide bright illumination, easy installation, and long-lasting performance, creating a stunning ambiance for gardens, pathways, and patios. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. WENATY Solar Landscape Light. The WENATY Solar Landscape Light is a remarkable combination of style, performance, and durability designed to elevate your outdoor lighting experience. Equipped with 46 high-performance LED beads, these solar lights produce up to 800 lumens of brightness, offering a brilliant yet soothing illumination that enhances the charm of gardens, patios, and pathways. You can easily adjust between 3 brightness modes, low, medium, and high, to suit different occasions, whether it's creating a gentle evening glow or lighting up your yard with powerful radiance. The low mode provides over 20 hours of continuous light, while the high setting offers intense brightness for about 6 hours, perfect for festive nights or special gatherings. Built with an IP65 waterproof rating, the WENATY lights are designed to withstand all weather conditions, from heavy rain to snow. With their sleek and modern design, these solar lights blend functionality with aesthetics, turning your yard into a vibrant and inviting outdoor space. Reliable and energy efficient, the WENATY Solar Landscape Lights bring elegance and practicality together for year-round outdoor beauty. Number 2. Tadyreal Solar Landscape Light. The Tadyreal Solar Landscape Light offers an excellent combination of brightness, efficiency, and convenience for homeowners who value powerful outdoor illumination. Featuring 46 densely arranged LED beads, these lights deliver up to 800 lumens of brightness, ideal for showcasing gardens, pathways, or driveways. Their unique reflective structure enhances the light's focus, reducing brightness loss and ensuring superior coverage. With 3 lighting modes, low, medium, and high, you can adjust illumination based on your needs, enjoying up to 16 hours of light in the energy-saving mode or 6 hours of maximum brightness. These eco-friendly lights eliminate the need for wiring or extra electricity, making installation simple and cost-effective. Their 2-in-1 design allows for both ground insertion and wall mounting, giving you flexibility in placement around gardens, lawns, patios, or fences. Durable and weather-resistant, they perform reliably through rain or shine. Combining energy-saving performance with modern design, the Tadyreal Solar Landscape Lights are a smart, reliable choice for anyone looking to brighten up outdoor spaces while keeping maintenance minimal. Number 3. InnoGear Solar Landscape Light. The InnoGear Solar Landscape Light stands out for its innovative design and impressive efficiency, offering homeowners a smart way to brighten outdoor spaces. What makes it unique is its independently adjustable solar panel and light head. Each can be tilted up or down by 90 degrees, allowing optimal sunlight absorption during the day and precise illumination at night. This flexibility ensures consistent brightness in all seasons. The advanced 1.5W monocrystalline silicon solar panel converts solar energy up to 30% faster than standard panels, giving you quick charging and extended use. With 2 lighting modes, high 6 hours and low 12 hours, you can easily switch depending on your lighting needs. Designed with a smooth surface to prevent dust buildup, these lights maintain steady performance over time. The 2-in-1 functionality allows easy ground staking for landscape use or wall mounting for accent lighting around patios or driveways. Installation takes only minutes and requires no wiring. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, the InnoGear solar landscape lights are tough enough to handle rain, snow, or heat, ensuring year-round reliability. With its smart energy use and versatile design, this light is ideal for anyone who wants an efficient and adaptable outdoor lighting solution. Number 4. Mancra Solar Landscape Light. The Mancra solar landscape light combines sophistication and reliability, creating a warm, inviting outdoor atmosphere. Designed with patented LED filament bulbs and a transparent glass lampshade, these lights emit a beautiful 3000K warm white glow that adds an elegant touch to gardens, pathways, or yards. The monocrystalline silicon solar panel offers up to a 25% energy conversion rate, charging efficiently during the day to provide illumination from dusk to dawn. With a built-in 900 mAh rechargeable battery, the lights run brighter and longer than many standard models. The intelligent dusk-to-dawn sensor ensures automatic operation, charging by day and lighting up as night falls without the need for manual switching. Built for all-weather durability, each light features a sturdy ABS shell, stainless steel pole, and high-transparency glass shade that resists corrosion, fading, or yellowing. The IP65 waterproof design ensures dependable performance through rain, snow, and heat. Installation is quick and tool-free. Simply insert the stakes into the ground where lighting is needed. These pathway lights are not only functional but decorative, perfect for illuminating driveways, gardens, and landscapes with soft elegance. With their combination of superior build quality, stylish design, and efficient solar performance, the Mancra solar landscape lights offer a dependable and visually appealing way to brighten outdoor areas year-round.
Number 5. NACINIC Solar Landscape Light. The NACINIC Solar Landscape Light offers a perfect mix of versatility, power, and durability, making it a great addition to any outdoor setting. Equipped with 52 high-intensity LED beads, these lights produce 600 lumens of brightness, ideal for illuminating gardens, pathways, or architectural features. A standout feature is the 3-color lighting modes: cool white, warm white, and natural white, allowing you to customize the lighting tone for any mood or occasion. Powered by high-efficiency polycrystalline solar panels with a 20% energy conversion rate, these lights charge quickly and deliver 6 to 14 hours of illumination, depending on the mode. The head can be adjusted up to 120 degrees, ensuring targeted lighting where you need it most. Built to endure harsh weather, the IP65 waterproof design protects against rain, snow, wind, and heat, ensuring performance in all seasons. The 2-in-1 installation system lets you choose between ground staking for landscape lighting or wall mounting for exterior illumination. Automatic light sensors activate the lamps at dusk and turn them off at dawn for seamless operation. Stylish yet practical, the NACINIC solar landscape lights combine advanced efficiency, flexible design, and excellent brightness, making them an outstanding choice for anyone looking to enhance outdoor spaces with dependable, eco-friendly lighting that adapts to every environment and occasion. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.